Hi guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Another Lego video. If you've been watching the last few videos, you'll see that I've been talking through some of the sets that I've bought recently, which I've still yet to build. Namely these ones. I've built this one earlier, the little Lego car 60285, and I've been on with building this set, which is the transporter truck set 60305, and here it is complete. So I did a separate video earlier on the car which comes with the set, the little orange kind of bit of a, what would you say, bit of a muscle car. That's what I would say. It's like a bit of a muscle car. But anyway, here is the truck itself, and it is a very nice set. I think it looks fantastic built. It's actually quite a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's quite surprising how large it is. I'll show you the little minifigure first. So it's this little guy. He's got his nice little sideburns. If my camera will focus. Come on, camera, focus on the guy. And his cool little cap. It won't focus. Come on, camera, there we go. He's got a little moustache, cool little sideburns. His nice jacket, a little bit of a hoodie. Yeah, it's a bit of a hoodie. Yeah, so I like him. The truck cab itself, I think it's really nice. It's got this piece on the top which forms the roof, which is obviously quite a special moulded piece, which makes the roof of the truck really nicely like that. And obviously he sits inside. Then the trailer itself, I'll just move the manuals out of the way a minute. The trailer itself is quite a clever little mechanism. When the tailgate is up, you can push on as much as you want and it won't collapse, because this bit which hinges down actually forms part of the structure, so it won't actually collapse. That then folds down and the whole piece just hinges down like that, which forms a ramp to be able to drive the cars up. Now you can see the ramp has got these pieces in here which are designed to hold the cars in position. So the car that actually comes with the set will drive up like so, and it will sit perfectly into those slots so that it won't roll off. This one, which I showed you building in a previous video, also fits perfectly because it's got the same wheelbase. Now, I had mentioned in a previous video, I wondered if the Speed Champion models would fit. Unfortunately, because the wheelbase, the distance from the middle of one wheel to another is different, they don't slot in quite right into the pieces designed to hold the car. But having said that, a couple of them will go on. You just have to balance them carefully. So if I lift that up, you can actually fit a couple on, but you are limited as to which ones will fit. So the Fiesta fits on okay because it's a shorter model. The Mustang will go on okay behind the Fiesta. The Porsche will go on, I think. Let's have a look. Will the Porsche go on? No, you see the Porsche struggles because the Porsche has got wider wheels. The wheels are quite a lot wider on the Porsche, so you can't put the Porsche on. It don't fit. What about the Camaro? Will the Camaro fit? Yes, the Camaro fits, so that will go on. Let's see if the McLaren Senna will go on. I don't think. Oh, it does, but it overhangs quite a bit. The problem you've got is on the lower deck, because the lower deck will only take cars up to a certain length. So you see the tailgate won't fold up. And having a play around, the only one that I've got that will fit is the Fiesta again, because the Fiesta being shorter, that will fit and will enable the tailgate to go up. But then you've got the problem that you can't fit another one on the top very well. So the only one that will kind of fit is that one because of the wheelbase, but it has to go that way around, so the back has to overhang. So those will fit, as you can see. So you can actually fit a few on, but they do overhang over the back. But there you go. So that's with the Camaro, the McLaren, and the Fiesta all on the truck at the same time. So it does work. It does work. You just have to play around with which ones you can fit on and which ones you can't. So there you've got the Mustang, the Camaro, and the Fiesta. So some of them will fit. Now obviously the newer style ones won't. The newer style Speed Champions, because they're 8 stud wide and they just won't fit at all. The wheels just sit on the top of the edges and they just, nah, you could just ignore that. They won't fit at all. So you can fit the one on that came with the set and that one. They're the best two fitting because they fit perfectly. Although saying that, the front there doesn't quite fit right. I suppose you could fit it, you could put it facing backwards and that actually fits better facing backwards with the Fiesta below it. So, but the moral of the story is a lot of them will fit. You just have to do a little bit of trial and error and see which ones will, which ones won't. Incidentally, the Fiesta, if you try to drive it on backwards, won't fit because the spoiler won't go under that back piece. You have to, if you put the Fiesta on, drive it on forwards like that, and then it will fit. So there you go. So let's just take everything off and I'll show you the truck and the trailer in more detail. So yeah, the trailer just hitches on with that ball joint there, and you've also got this bit which flips down, so if you do, if I can get it to unhook, if you do unhook the trailer, you can have it sat there like that, and that little bit will hold it up off the floor. Although it could do with being higher because it doesn't actually hold it up high enough for that to actually go on. So that's something that could be designed better. The back of the truck's got these two little hooks for a sweeping brush and a spanner, but there's this big hole. Don't know what the big hole is there for, but that is just how it's made. That would have been better obviously if it was filled in with some bricks or a glass piece to make it a bit of a window, but instead it's just left with a big hole. I like how they've made the mirrors with just these drop down bits at the side, and I like how they've done the stripes as well with the two different shades of green. I think that looks smart. It's a nice looking little trucks. One other thing, if I'm being picky, is the fact that it is a truck, but yet the wheels and tyres are the same as on the car. Now obviously in real life trucks have much bigger wheels, much bigger tyres. The cars do, but I suppose it is a kid's toy. It's not supposed to be 100% accurate, true to life, but I do think that is the only thing that I, as an adult, probably thinking about it too much, it might have been better if it had got bigger wheels on, as used on some of the other Speed Champion models, which are actually a larger size. I mean, you look at the Fiesta wheels compared to the truck wheels, and the Fiesta wheels are bigger than the truck wheels. Now, where on earth would you see a Fiesta with bigger wheels than a truck? So, again, as an adult, you think about these things. As a child, not so much. So, if you're a kid watching this, don't worry about it. It's things that an adult might look at and take notice of. But as a child, don't worry about it. Buy the set, play with it, enjoy it, and you will absolutely love it. So when any kids who are watching this set, I would definitely say it's well worth buying. Tell your mum and dad to buy it for you because it is brilliant. If you're an adult like me and you like collecting Lego sets, then it's again definitely a set I would recommend. I just think it looks really good, and as I say, it's a great display piece. because you can, as I say, you can display it with your different cars on. I might see if there's another set I can buy that's this kind of size, which I could build to put on the lower deck rather than putting one of the Speed Champions sets on. I think it would be better with one of those that was that kind of size that'd fit better. But there you go, guys. So if you want to see more content like this, and if you want to see me building the Speed Champion Jaguars, the little road sweeper, the ice cream van, I'm actually really looking forward to building the ice cream van because I think that's going to be a great model when it's built. Yeah, if you want to see me doing these things, and if you also want to look out for little teasers like that one in the background, what's that? I don't know what that is. Stay tuned for more. Browse, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.